In this video, I'm going to show you how to change MT4 password in mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top left and tap on those three lines. And from here, you want to tap on Manage Accounts at the very top. Now, when you tap on that, in here, you want to tap to the very top right where you can see three dots again. And then from here, you can either change your master password or your investor password. So if you tap on Change Master Password, you can, of course, type in your current master password and then the new one you want to use. And then the third field will require you to basically just retype the new password again. So first the current password, and then in the second and third field the new password, so the same one, and after that tap on next at the very bottom and you'll be able to change it that way. Now just make sure that the password is complex enough, as it says over here. It has to have at least 5 symbols and of course at least 2 of the 3 character types present: lowercase, uppercase, and digits. Okay, now if I go out here, of course you could also change your investor password like that, and it's basically the same thing. You just have to type in your current password and then the new investor one twice and you're good to go. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.